Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Look at this, everybody. Bet you want to slap somebody. This is Granny's Honey Spiral Ham, everybody. This is the second edition that we did, but we're going to go over how we did this with the other recipe because our Thanksgiving went by so fast. Guests started coming. We had to get the ham in the oven and everything, so we didn't have enough time to do it. So we actually did it again, everybody. We made another ham for Christmas, and this is how we do it. Everything you see here is on a screen. We added in our bottle of apricot preserves and pineapple together. It's preserves together. Then we went on to put that in a pot. We added in about 10 cloves. And we added a little bit of honey, and some brown sugar, everybody. Okay, some pineapple chunks. Yes, pineapple chunks. It has to be pineapple chunks, not crushed, but pineapple chunks. Okay, we put everything in the pot, brought it to a boil, everybody. Okay, then we're going to add our brown sugar after that. We're going to keep on adding the brown sugar to about 8 tablespoons of that. Okay, now we went on to spiral this ham. The other ham we had was a spiral ham, but this one was not. It's actually cheaper if you get it not spiral. So I went on to cut that first. Then I added the cloves in between and where I wanted them to spread it out throughout the ham. Now we're going to pour our texture over on top of our ham, everybody. Okay, we want to try to get it into every crevices of this cut spiral that we did ourselves. Let all the juices run down to the bone, everybody. I'm telling you, Grandma, this is just so delicious. I just love this ham. Yeah, and it saves you a lot of money. You don't have to go out and order that $80 ham, $65 ham. This ham right here was $16.59, everybody, on sale. Okay, now we went on and added our chunks last, okay? And we're going to add it on throughout of the ham, okay? And it's okay if it gets down into the dish because all our fluids and stuff are going to be on down there. And we're going to use it as a base later, okay? We're going to base our ham later. And then we're going to go ahead and add the pineapples here. You know, I just love the smell of cloves. Yeah. It smells really good. And that's the same thing we do with our apple cider. You know, with the apple cider, we have our spiked apple cider and we have our hot apple cider as well. You check that out on our YouTube channel. You guys can see the recipes to that as well. But look at this. Isn't this beautiful? We're going to go ahead and add that on there. Now, it's all ready. We're going to base it again. And then we're going to make sure the juices go all the way down and everything. Then we're going to add some brown sugar on top, everybody. Yes, okay? And now we're going to bake it in the oven. We're going to add a little bit more moisture to it, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and let it bake again. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. We're getting right all up in there. Yeah, get all up in the goodness right there. We want it all down to the bonus flavor. I'm sorry I had to pause. It just looks so delicious. It really is. Yes. So this is how we do it. So we have the brown sugar on top. We're going to show you how it looks all the way around. See, ain't that beautiful? All right. Now it's going to be ready to be baked in the oven. Okay. It's already like a pre-cooked ham. So we're going to cook it in the oven for a good 45 minutes, covered with foil, everybody. Okay. Now stay tuned for part 2 of how we created this. Follow us on YouTube for more.